How to transfer money from Chase to Cash App. Follow these instructions. Open the Cash App on your phone, then tap the profile icon in the top right corner to enter account and bank settings. Scroll to Link Banks and tap Link Bank to begin adding your Chase account for smooth and secure transfers. From the list of supported banks, select Chase Bank to connect Cash App directly with your Chase account. Sign in using your Chase online banking username and password to safely verify and link your bank account. After linking, return to the Cash App home screen, where you can access the option to add or transfer money. Tap Add Cash, enter the transfer amount from Chase, and double-check details before proceeding further. Press Add, then confirm with your Cash App PIN or face it to complete the Chase to Cash App transfer instantly. Thank you for watching.